of So Good started in around 2014 when my daughter Rosie and I wanted to make healthy snacks for ourselves. When I took these to work, people loved them so much they said we should start manufacturing them and selling them. We then approached some Scottish universities and asked them to help us with product development.
At that point we spoke to the Rivet Institute in Aberdeen and Queen Margaret University in Edinburgh to help us develop a wheat-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, naturally sweetened, energy-dense, nutrient-dense product. And by the end of the period, this is what we came through, a genuine, energy-dense, healthy product.
So after launching in March 2016, we built up our customer base in Scotland, and this year in 2017 we started to sell into the rest of England, and we now have about
100 stockists ranging from Aberdeen to London.
And this week, on the 4th of May, we launched with our very first distributor in Scotland, and we now are looking at producing large orders for pretty much the first time. And this is where we're asking for your help to support the production of these large orders so that this business can grow from strength to strength. We create chemical-free, all-natural snacks for people who care about what they put in their bodies. Our gluten-free products are all handmade from whole ingredients that you would find in your kitchen. We are different in that we are a low-tech, high-touch operation where we prefer to employ people than buy expensive machinery. All this started with my daughter and I baking healthy snacks at home.